Namaste friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to share another healthy breakfast recipe, Millet Semiya or Semiya Upma or Shavige Uppittu, specially good for diabetic and obese people. I have already shared a video regarding homemade idiyappam from millet or Ottu Shavige from millet. The link is in the description box below. After preparing this homemade idiyappam or shavige, you have to separate the strings like this and you have to cut short the length and keep it ready. In a thick bottom pan, heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut oil or any cold pressed oil of your choice. For this, add half tablespoon of mustard seeds, half spoon of urad dal, half spoon of channa dal, 3 to 4 tablespoons of peanuts. Saute for a while. When the mustard seeds start spluttering, add curry leaves, 2 to 3 sliced green chilies. You can increase or decrease the number of green chilies as per your taste. Add half cup of finely chopped carrots, 8 to 10 finely chopped beans. You can increase the veggies if you are in weight loss journey. Saute for a while. Add pink Himalayan salt as per taste. Give a nice mix. Now add 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder and allow it to cook. Now the veggies are well cooked. Now it is time to add semiya or idiyappam. Now gently mix the idiyappam with the seasoning. Now switch off the flame and garnish with grated fresh coconut. Remember, only after switching off the flame you can add grated coconut and again give a gentle mix. You can use this for kids' lunch box also. Super healthy breakfast, millet semiya or shavige upma is ready to serve. Serve your family healthy breakfast. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.